Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Dyson SV19 vacuum cleaner. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the necessary steps to keep your vacuum running smoothly and efficiently. First, let's gather the tools you will need: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, microfiber cloths, and a brush for cleaning filters. These tools are essential for performing a thorough maintenance check. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV19. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, remove the dust bin. To do this, press the red button on the front of the vacuum. Once detached, empty the contents into a trash bag. It's important to clean the dust bin regularly to prevent clogs. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe the inside, ensuring no debris is left behind. Now, we need to inspect the filter. To access the filter, locate it at the top of the dust bin. Twist and pull it out gently. Rinse the filter under cold water until the water runs clear. Do not use any detergents. After cleaning, allow the filter to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. While the filter is drying, let's check the brush bar. Flip the vacuum over to access the brush. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the screws securing the brush bar. Carefully lift it out and remove any hair or debris wrapped around it. This will enhance the suction power of your Dyson. If you encounter stubborn debris or if the brush bar needs replacing, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can assess the issue and advise you on the best solutions. As you continue cleaning, take a moment to inspect the vacuum hose. Look for any blockages or damage. If you find any issues, it may be best to leave it to the professionals. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the hose is clear, reassemble the brush bar and ensure it's securely fastened. Tighten the screws while using your Phillips screwdriver. This is crucial, as a loose brush bar can lead to performance issues. Next, let's check the battery. If your vacuum is not holding a charge, it might be time for a replacement. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Finally, give your Dyson SV19 a thorough exterior clean. Use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe down the body and remove any dust or stains. This not only keeps your vacuum looking great but also prevents dust from entering the internal components. After completing these steps, plug your vacuum back in and run a test to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, remember, no calls, no travel, we're just a click away with our home services. With regular maintenance, your Dyson SV19 will perform at its best for years to come. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your clean home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.